3 Mississippi's for the patient, Eric Critton. Kaylee Drags with half past 2.
I used to have one of those.
How about tonight? 1 more time.
I also desired the old car.
No counts. Rich Nice left Bristol. 73 no, 16 down. 6-liter LS against 440 Harley Davidson. That's gonna be a win on that.
Mustangs.
Robin row left, Amber Rutherford right. Sportsman, if you're playing for your own places, you're up lapping now. Sportsman.
Mustang.
Robin Rowe was dead on one and one of it. A double one to a dead on.
Monte Carlo.
Robin Rowe gets one. He's one on one side.
Okay.
Steve Watkins got 2 blue 4. They couldn't be much more different.
Dart against an SS Monte. No, SS Monte.
Yeah.
That's a dart on the other side.
What is that?
That's a dart.
Yeah. And the other
Nova.
side.
Chevy Nova.
Okay.
I'll pick it out.
Stop.
Making a quick switch, we are now in Sportsman.
Alright.
AT Super Pro, you need to be on your way to lanes. Motorcycle
We're all on different ends.
and hot rod. You are on standby. Jess Armstrong breaks out. Joe Smith breaks out. Joe breaks out. 8 thousandths less. That's going to be the winner. 68 Phil's in the back. Brian Hodgson on the outside. Steve Asperville through. 69. Good slide. Good slide.
And the other one.
Asperville, after we red, also went too quick.
The other one.
Nice trip down
Number.
the racetrack. Why not? Oh, is he still in the other class? I'm trying to remember now. Because he's definitely one of our double duty. Bill Wells left, Dean Douglas right. 13:55 on one side, 11:60 on the other. That's about 2 seconds.
What's that?
Two Mustangs head to head.
Oh, the blue is more stronger
All
than.
right. And he's just going to take the tree and back out.